the typical morning in this place. Chewy! Chewy! Yep, now they're all wound up. Here we go. The toy doesn't even matter. Except to chew up. There we go. Kendra. Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday.